Hi everyone, my name is Athena Zhe and this is my friend Katya.
Hi.
And we are here with FacePaintcom and today I'm going to show you how to use the split cakes. This is how I use my sponge with a split cake. First, I spray regular water on the sponge, just like that. Then I take my split cake and I load my sponge with it. It's very important for the sponge not to go up or down. You just have to continuously keep it in the same exact position, same exact spot. And then as soon as you loaded your sponge with the paint, you apply it on the skin with a little like dabbing action, just like that. And here goes your sponging of the split cake. So now I will show you how to use brush with a split cake. So I'm going to take my split cake. I'm going to wet my brush. It's Artsy Brush Large, which is a square brush, and I will load it back and forth on a split cake. Also the same exact way how I did the sponge, in the same one direction and the other. And this is how you use the flat brush for it. And now when it's loaded, you can do either flower petals or you can do a butterfly wing, or you can even do leaves. Just like this. Thank you everyone for watching. The links to all the products are down below and don't forget to share them with your friends. Пока!